Welcome to Math TV with Professor V, and it is summer break, so I have lost track of the days. Anyways, here's your integral of the day. We have an indefinite integral of natural log of 1 plus x squared dx. Go ahead, pause the video if you want to try it on your own. I'm going to hop right in. When I always first think, oh, can I do a u sub? And if that's not the case, and it's not a trig sub, and there's no partial fractions, it's probably one of those clever by parts scenarios. So we're going to have to pick a u, and we're going to have to pick a dv, and really my only choice is to let u be natural log of 1 plus x squared, and then dv will just be dx. And then I just hope it's all going to work out, and it usually does. So du, derivative of ln of 1 plus x squared, that's going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. And then don't forget the chain rule. You have to multiply by the derivative of what's inside. So that's 2x dx. And then to get v, we just anti-differentiate dx, 1. So that's going to be x. All right, so then now we're going to have u times v. So that'll be x natural log 1 plus x squared minus integral v du, right there. And what is that going to be? That is 2x times x, so that's 2x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. All right, very good. Now notice here the integrand is a rational function, and the degree of the numerator is not lower than the degree of the denominator. So anytime that happens, you need to long divide. Or let me show you a little trick. It's a little bit faster, especially when you get good at it. If you don't feel like doing long division, and you can't always use this shortcut, but when it works fabulously. So here we go. I'm taking the 2 out, and I've done this before recently. We have x squared over 1 plus x squared. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And what I can very easily do is get the numerator to match the denominator and then bypass the long division. I can do that by simply just adding 1. And then, of course, I'm going to have to subtract 1. And then I'm going to regroup the terms in the numerator like so. So since we have, watch this, we have x squared plus 1 over 1 plus x squared minus that other 1 that I added in over 1 plus x squared. Then those can simplify. So now watch. I'm just going to rewrite x ln 1 plus x squared out here minus 2 integral of, this is just 1. That's a 1. Minus, no, you don't do anything with this guy. You should already kind of recognize, ooh, I know his antiderivative. Oh, fabulous. 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay? Again, if you hated what I just did, it's fine. You can go ahead and do long division. Then from here, this is already done. This x ln 1 plus x squared minus 2 times antiderivative of 1, that's just x, minus antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus x squared. Yes, tan inverse of x, and then plus c. And then last step, I'm just going to distribute the negative 2. So we have x ln 1 plus x squared minus 2x plus 2 tan inverse of x plus c. And then we're done. So hope you enjoyed. I'll do some more multivariable integrals. I know some of you enjoyed that. It's just a little hard if you haven't taken some Calc 3 to just jump right into those, but I know they're interesting, so I'll do some more in the days to come. Hope you enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And if you want to help support, you can join my Patreon or check me out on Instagram or TikTok at Math TV with Professor V. Have a great day.